So let's look at this question from West African Senior School Certificate Examination of 2020. This number 7B. All right, so it says 5 years ago, Musa was twice as old as Sese. If the sum of their ages is 100, find Sese's present age. So this is a word problem. So we usually have to create expressions for the Musa and Sese in this case. So this will say, let Musa's age be X and represent Sese's age as Y. Now, if you to interpret this first sentence, say 5 years ago, so that's going to be, if Musa is X, then that means X, 5 years ago to be X minus 5. If Musa's age is X, then 5 years ago is X minus 5 years, right? And then also Sese is going to be Y minus 5. Remember, Sese's age is represented as Y. Now, I said 5 years ago, Musa was twice as old. So twice means 2 times. So we're going to use bracket to represent 2 times. All right, so 2 times whatever Sese was 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, Musa is 2 times whatever Sese was 5 years ago. So that first sentence has been expressed using algebraic symbols. Then the second sentence is, if the sum of their ages is 100. So the same X and Y, if you add X and Y, presently gives you 100. So X plus Y is 100. That's another expression. Been able to interpret this word problem into mathematical expressions. You can simplify this first one here because this can expand out. So we have x minus 5, and then 2 multiplies into 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. So we can simplify that further and say we want our x and y to be on one side so that it looks like the second expression. So we have 2y can come over here, becomes minus 2y, and then minus 5 comes over here, becomes minus 10 plus 5, because once the sign crosses the equality symbol, it changes sign. So we have x minus 2y on the left hand, and we have minus 10 plus 5. Remember, minus 10 plus 5 is going to be minus 5. Yes, so we have x minus 2y equals to minus 5. So we could bring these two expressions together, this one, and call that equation 1. And this one we just simplified and call that equation 2. Solve them simultaneously. All right, you could use substitution method or elimination method like I've used. I've used the elimination method by saying I can subtract equation 2 from 1. So if you subtract equation 2 from equation 1, looks something like this. So x minus x is eliminated, cancels out. Y minus minus 2y. Minus with minus is plus. So y plus 2y. And then 100 minus minus 5. Minus with minus is plus, so it's 100 plus 5. So y plus 2y equals 100 plus 5, which is 105. Now y plus 2y is 3y. 3y is equals to 105. So divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 3, so that we can find y. And y is equals to 105 over 3, and that's 35. So y is 35. We've gotten that y is equals to 35. Now remember, y is standing for Sese's age. And the question says find Sese's present age. So we could have stopped here because that's all we need. Y is 35 years. Okay, 35 years. But in case they said, the question could say find both Musa and Sese's. So both Musa and Sese's age, we could continue and say substitute. So find the other Musa's age, which is X. Remember, Musa's age is X and Sese's age is Y. So we've already found Sese's age as 35 years. So to find the other one, the other age, say y, just substitute what you have in either equation 1 or 2. So I could have put y equals 35 into either this equation or this second equation, either one. And now if I use the first equation, because that's what I use, x plus y is equals to 100, y is 35, remember? So substitute, replace y with 35 and simplify x plus 35 equals 100. You're going to get x equals to 100 minus 35 and x equals to 65. So basically, therefore, Musa's age, which is x, is equal to 65 years, and Sese's age, which is y, is equal to 35 years. And this is what the question is asking for, Sese's age. So Sese is 35 years.